Hey guys, last video, I forgot to also mention that we got all the parts or most of the parts, I think, to do the fuel pump and fix the fuel system. We're also going to put a fuel gauge in. Moose is out here, obviously. Come here. Oh, there he is. Oh, he just wants to be. He just needs love all the time. He needs love. He's an idiot. Anyway, so we did get the fuel pump, got a fuel gauge, and a fuel sending unit. So we're going to get the fuel tank down, start working on that. I did realize once I got here, because I had bought factory replacement stuff, I don't know if I have plugs in there anymore for any of that stuff. So we're going to figure out what we're going to do with that and go from there. Let's get at it, guys. See what we got. Oh, hell, they didn't have that down tight enough. I had a problem with that. No, that was tight enough. This one leaked. You filled up the tank too much, but not worried about it. Oh, the seal was in there. I don't know. You can see we got rid of that. We're gonna replace that and get everything working the way it should. But now we got a bulkhead. Let's see here. Right there, we didn't need a new pump. Dirty. We didn't need a new pump. That's what I kind of thought happened. This hose was no good for being submerged, even though it said it was. Alright, well, I think we're still going to replace it, but we might use this pump instead of the Quantum that's on there, because I bought a cheap pump, and that should be a real Walbro. We've got the sending unit and the pump in. And now we got a spare pump, and we'll just have to put a different hose on it if we run into an emergency at any point. Awesome. Good deal. I kind of thought that was what was wrong with it, that hose. Well, that's going to be it for today. Click the like, subscribe, Facebooks, Instagrams, all that stuff. Appreciate it. See you guys later.